There are companies out there who are giving away millions of dollars in free money. There are companies out here ready to pay you for just a little bit of your time. This is how to make money online fast. This is how to make money online in 2025. In 2024 alone, millions of dollars were given out to people like you and me. And the coolest thing about this is it's not that much work involved. Now, I want to make clear right from the top that this is legitimate. And I don't have the time or the energy to tell you about a scam or try to distract you. My name is Ren, and here at Gain Link Gain, we're all about helping you put more money in your pocket the independent way and the fast way.
Yes.
And of course, the legal way. It's not only real, it's not only possible, it's probably easier than you thought for you to make money online, for you to make money from your phone. Now, some of the most common misconceptions about making money online is that the only people who do it are scammers, or that it's simply not possible anymore because the internet has become too oversaturated. The reality is, most people either haven't looked in the right places or weren't willing to put the work in to follow through and get those results. I'll be showing you two methods today that you can immediately start using to make some money right from your home, from work, from the bus or the train if you need to. All that's going to be required for both methods is a quick sign-up process and a small initial deposit. Right now, when I log into my ACORNS, I can immediately see in the top an option for getting $1,400 for referring 5 friends. So clearly, making money online has not stopped with the oversaturation of the internet or AI. Making money online, like anything, requires some work, just like making money in the real world. And I want to give you some clarity now that it's a lot easier to go out and work a job than it is to go out and work for yourself. It requires commitment, discipline, and a relentless pursuit of your goals to actually achieve financial independence. Good news is that we're on this journey together, and I've got some good information that won't help you skip steps, but it might help you walk a little faster. So the first of the two methods I came to talk about today is SOFI. SOFI is an online bank, a legitimate bank with their own charter, and a fun fact, they actually offer one of the most competitive interest rates in the United States right now.
Wow.
Now, the reason I want to tell you about SOFI is because SOFI has a referral program. Referral programs are a really good way, a really easy way for people to get started with their affiliate marketing journey. You see, with referral programs, companies will pay you for bringing them new customers. So when you bring people to sign up for these companies and make an initial deposit, sometimes no charge at all, these companies will actually pay you for bringing them new faces. They do this because they're making money on a long-term cycle basis. So when you bring them a customer, they're potentially getting somebody who's going to spend money with them over time. So these companies are more than happy to pay you for bringing them that client. Now, back to SOFI. SOFI will pay you $75 for bringing them a new client, and they'll pay that person $25 just for signing up. Speaking of which, hit the link in my description right now and you can get $25 just for signing up for a new bank account with SOFI. Sign up, make your first deposit of $50, that's the minimum, just $50, and then boom, you're gonna collect $25 and immediately be eligible to get $75 more for every person you bring to SOFI. The other method I wanted to talk to you about today is ACORNS. Now, ACORNS is an investment app, and the primary thing they do is when you deposit money, they'll invest it into the stock market for you. And over time, you'll typically see your money grow with the stock market. The coolest thing about ACORNS is actually they pay huge referral bonuses. Huge. I'm talking about right now, when I look at my ACORNS, I can see that I'm eligible to get $1,400 for signing up 5 people. Now, I know you're thinking $1,400, that's a lot of money. And my response to you is, yeah, that's kind of a lot of money. And the cool thing is you can get the same thing for yourself. If you hit the link in my description right now, sign up and join ACORNS, make your first deposit of just $5, and you can turn that into more than 20 times as much by referring 5 people yourself. ACORNS offers their referral bonuses on a limited timeline, unlike SOFI, where you're gonna get a new bonus every Sunday through Saturday. So if you're interested in getting this $1,400 bonus, hit the link in my description, sign up and join ACORNS right now. Send out those referrals, get your 5 people signed on, and make sure you're confirmed before it's gone. Now, I mentioned earlier in the video I had proof for you. Well, it wasn't clickbait. Open this up and I can see by going to my ACORNS activity that I have invested $51.42 into my ACORNS. I have about $6 in dividends from this year, and I've withdrawn $816 from my ACORNS account. Now, we can go back and see I still have $60 in my account. I've withdrawn $800 in an account I've only put $50 into, and I've still got $60 in there. That's beautiful. Hit the link in the description. You know what I'm saying? I'm running out of time right now, but I'm gonna pull up my SOFI results for you guys as well. I'm gonna just drop those like here or here, or one of these two, you know, maybe both. And I just wanted to make sure I hopped on here to let y'all know making money online is still real. If you hit the links in the description, you can get started today. If you like this video or found it helpful, subscribe. We got more methods coming soon. I'm actually gonna do another deep dive on ACORNS. You can find one older on the channel, as well as I'll go into a deep dive on SOFI for y'all real soon as well. So hope y'all have a great one. I'm grateful. This is Ren, Gain Link Gain. Peace.